If you have bad credit and you need to purchase a car, come in. Ford Motor Credit is running a promotion. This promotion is specifically for those who have bad credit. So if your credit score is between a 500 and 620, you qualify. And let me give you some of the particulars. Ford Motor Credit pulls from Experian. You can't have any recent bankruptcy. So if you have filed Chapter 13, it has to be over a year old. Chapter 7, over 3 years old. When they pull your credit, they're going to look for recent inquiries. So no more than 3 hard pulls within the past 3 to 6 months. Now your credit profile, they're going to want to see you have an installment loan. So something like a personal loan, a previous car loan, or a secured loan, and at least 1 or 2 credit cards. Now, for your employment, you need to have been at your job 6 months or greater. Now, after your employment, the next step will be your utility bill. You'll need to present a utility bill, not your cell phone bill. It needs to be either power, gas, cable that confirms the address on your application. Then the 2 most recent pay stubs from your employer. One of the best things is, and this is where it gets good, and of course your driver's license, but you can apply at home. You can go to ford.com/finance. You can upload all of your documents there. The benefit is, you know you're already approved before you get to the lot. You know how much you are approved for, and you don't have to sit there and wait forever and ever while they go talk to the finance managers, then they talk to the salesperson, and then they're coming back asking you different things. You can do the process before you get there. Once you get to the lot, you already know how much you can afford, and you can look and start making your selection. Now, here's some caveats. When you go to the lot, make sure you don't broadcast how much you are approved for. And in some cases, you will need to make a down payment. They'll tell you the amount of the down payment in the pre-application process when you're at home, because then you can put in different numbers and it can tell you how much your monthly payment will be and how much you need to place down. The advantage of the dealership can, in some cases, work deals and where your down payment can be lowered or removed, but it also depends on the strength of your credit profile. Even though your score is between 500 and 620, the closer you are to 620, the more lenient they will be as in regards to the down payment. Terms, you can finance up to 84 months, 7 years. The starting price of a strip Ford F-150, because this is specifically for brand new Ford F-150s, model year 2023 and 2024 and 2025. Depending on what they have on the lot, there can be some 2023s. If so, you can work a deal on those. Once you select your vehicle, you will go, of course, to the back and they'll complete the deal. But the starting price of a base model Ford F-150 is $41,000. If you finance it with nothing down over 84 months before you put in insurance, it's $607. Still a lot of money, but it's at 5%. So you can build your credit, pay it off, but it allows you to purchase a brand new car without double-digit interest rates. If you have any questions, click the link in my bio and make sure you do the pre-qualification before you get to the lot. All right, talk to you soon.